recording right now, and right here is one of my most recent acquisitions, a 52-inch Emerson 1895 series in white, and some may call it antique white, but I think it's just regular white, appliance white. Anyway, I got this fan from fellow collector Patrick Nese first, but prior to that, he initially got it through Andrew Gould, aka Charles Smith, or Chandler, however you want to call it. But anyway, Andrew found this at a abandoned mental hospital somewhere in Pennsylvania, and he was able to snag them. And thanks Andrew and thanks Patrick for helping me obtain this fan. And it did not come as you see it. I did make some additions to it, and stencil side was showing, but I prefer plain, especially on 1895s. And as some of you may know, I am not a fan of stenciling on the blades, no pun intended, but I do not mind cane. And didn't come with a bomb switch cap, so I had to add a light kit to it, which I decided to use one of my 4-inch white fitters. I'll put another different light kit on. I just wanted to test it with this, and decided to use a floral globe from a fan I recently got. And the floral globe, it doesn't make it look so plain white, if you know what I mean. Get close to the globe, right there. And there is the canopy. It's got the more generic looking canopy. This is like the later 1895 model before it evolved into the Legend. And the dowel rod you see there did not come with it. It did not come with any dowel rod, so I decided to use that one as I parted out a craft-made decorative that had a really small down rod. So I mean, this thing would be good for like a basement or something, because I don't think I've had an 1895 with this high a down rod or low down rod, however you want to view it. And the canopy screws into the bottom just like most Emerson canopies do from that era. There's a side band. I did have to clean it a little bit. It does have some blemishes on it, but for where it was used prior, it would not surprise you. And let's have a look at the vents. Signature horseshoe heart-shaped brackets. It's got the more generic blade tip, and I prefer the 1895s with the Lasco blade tips, but these don't look bad. There's the stencil side for those who are curious. And it does have a KB55 motor in it, and it's made in America. There's a reverse switch. And here's what was stamped on it. I don't know if any of you can read it or not. Something D2701 engineering, whatever that means, I don't know. Maybe Patrick or Andrew could fill me in on it. And of course the pull chains I added myself. Show a little light in the situation. There, lights right up. Good. I don't have much glare from there. Oops, thought I had it. Don't want to have the glare from the LEDs over yonder. Yep. Like that. Can you see it? There, I think that looks good from that angle right there. And these are some of my favorite ceiling fans of all time. I have a couple new in the box. One mostly new in the box and haven't really used much, but white and polished brass, that's one I took out. Got as a Christmas gift one year. I hung it out here, but I didn't do any videos of it. And the one I actually did film was another one I got at a Habitat in 2012, I think it was, and had some bearing issues, but I traded it to another collector. So, because he did not have many 1895s in his collection, I thought I'd help him out. And I saw these fans in my childhood quite a good bit, especially at like True Value hardware stores. And there was one True Value that was closing south of where I live, and you were greeted by one of these fans, albeit without the light kit. I tried to get them when they closed, but the people who own the place, they said if you don't have the light bladder, we won't give them to you, and that was a little screwy. So anyway, the fans unfortunately went to waste. But I saw another version of this fan at a car dealership my family bought cars from in the 1980s, called West End Motors. It has since changed hands, and the fans remain, but they got dressed up with light kits, and the fans were antique brass and had the stencil showing, and the Lasco blades, and the cylindrical canopies. But anyway, let's get down to business here. Rev it up first on low. Somebody shooting off fireworks in the background. Alright, it's a weekend for the fireworks bash, but I'd go to it. It's almost the 4th of July. Okay. Medium. These fans are really good air movers. I guess if I film from this angle, I won't get the glare from the LED lights. Now let's try this baby on high, shall we? This thing's an ocean on high, as expected with most Emerson ceiling fans made in America, like this one. Feel that breeze. Moves a decent amount. Really moves a decent amount of air on high. But now let's power it down. It's real quiet too. Bearings are good too, and it's got real long spin down time to it, so that is indicative of superior bearings. She getting there? Okay, folks, this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.